Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. We're back with another video. So for today we're going to be making pasta alfredo with chicken. As you can see, please stay tuned till the end of this video to see these results. So first we're going to get started with boiling our water for our pasta. So we're just going to leave this for about 8 minutes. So once the water has boiled, we can go ahead and put in some oil so that the pasta does not stick to each other. We're also going to put in a little bit of salt. So then we can go ahead and put our pasta or macaroni, whatever you want to call it. I grew up calling it pasta, so that's what I'm gonna call it. So now we're just gonna let the pasta boil, and we're gonna move on to marinating our chicken that we're gonna use. So here we have our chicken. Make sure you wash it properly, and I'm gonna season it with some black pepper, garlic powder, and finally I'm going to add chili powder. And of course, I'm gonna add a little bit of soy sauce. I love soy sauce to marinate anything. I literally use it everywhere. So I felt like it needed more seasoning, so I just went ahead and put more of the seasonings that I used earlier. And we're just gonna leave this for 10 minutes. So don't forget to check on your pasta also, just every 2 to 3 minutes. Keep on stirring it and let it cook. It's not ready yet, so we're still gonna wait. Now our pasta looks all ready. Please make sure you do not overcook pasta, because pasta overcooked is just not it. It's not good at all. It's better that you undercook it than overcook it. But here we go, we're done. We're just gonna go ahead and drain it now. And on a separate pan, we're gonna go ahead and heat up our oil so that we can fry our chicken that we marinated earlier. And we'll just put that in. So now we're just gonna saute the chickens. I am really not a fan of this pan that I'm using. It's actually making the chicken stick to the pan. So using a non-stick pan would probably be better for this. Keep on checking on the chickens and saute them every now and then until it starts browning. So as we can see, our chicken started browning. We're just gonna go ahead and throw in some garlic. I can never cook anything without garlic. Garlic is just the secret ingredient for me in everything. And then the main ingredient is the Alfredo sauce. You can go ahead and pour in your Alfredo sauce. I got this Alfredo sauce from Target. You can literally get it from any grocery store. And then we're gonna let it cook for about 5 minutes, not more than 5 minutes. So just let it cook, and then we'll pour in our pasta. So if this consistency is too thick for you, you can go ahead and add milk. Or what I did was I went ahead and rinsed the can of the Alfredo that I used earlier and poured it in. Let's go ahead and cover and let it cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. 2 to 3 minutes later, our Alfredo sauce is well cooked and is ready for our pasta. Let's go ahead and throw in our pasta. So I had a little bit too much pasta and the sauce would not be enough for all of it, so I remained some of it. Make sure you don't put too much pasta in there, because you're not going to get that creamy and saucy taste, and it's just going to feel dry if there is more pasta than sauce. Lastly, we're just gonna go ahead and add in our shredded cheese. It's gonna make it taste even more creamier and saucier and cheesier. I think I just made up like 3 words there, but that's okay. I do that a lot. And we're all done here. So this is what the final result looks like. I hope you all enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and comment down below what you thought of it. Also, if you haven't done so, make sure you subscribe.